for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, security alarm, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, power locks, compass, power convenience group, trip computer, rear window defroster, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.